Hello students, after sequences, today we start with series. So if the term of sequence is connected by a positive or a negative sign, then we call that as series. Suppose we have a sequence A1 with terms, first term as A1, second term as A2, third term is A3, fourth term is A4 and so on, and nth term is An and so on. If we connect these terms with positive or negative sign, then we call that as the series. So if we connect this as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 and so on, then this is called our series. For example, we have 1, 3, 5, 7 as the term of a sequence. If I connect these with positive signs 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on, then this will become a series. So this is series. So sequence will become series if we connect it with a positive or negative signs. Next we have arithmetic progression, or you can say AP. Okay? So what is arithmetic progression? If we have a sequence A1, A2 up to An and we connect them with a positive sign or a negative sign, whatever, and if suppose it is nth and it is An minus 1. If the difference of the terms, that is An minus 1 remains constant, then we say that this series is in arithmetic progression. Clear? Suppose, let us take this series again. We have first term as 1, second term as 3, third term as 5, fourth term as 7. If we check that 3 minus 1 is 2, difference of these two terms, A2 minus A1 is 2. If we subtract A3 minus A2, that is 5 minus 3 is again 2. Again A4 minus A3, that is 7 minus 5 is again 2. So the difference of the corresponding, that is nth and An minus 1th term remains same. Then we say that this series is in arithmetic progression. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपके पास A2 माइनस A1 भी 2 है, A3 माइनस A2 भी 2 है, A4 माइनस A3 भी 2 है, और अगर आप A5 माइनस A4 करोगे देन दैट इज ऑल्सो 2, और ऐसे ही अगर आप An माइनस 1 करोगे वो भी क्या रहेगा, सेम रहेगा. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ सीरीज इज इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. So students, till now we have done that if we have a sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on, An is in arithmetic progression. This sequence is in arithmetic progression. That is in AP. If we have An minus 1 is constant. Clear? If in general we say that if first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D and so on, then we say that this is in arithmetic progression. Why? Because the difference of A plus D minus A is D. A plus 2D second term, third term with second term is again D. Fourth term with third term is again D. So the difference remains the same. This difference is also called common difference. So another definition of AP is arithmetic progression. The sequence is in arithmetic progression if common difference is same. And how will we find common difference? Difference of An and An minus 1th term. So if we take this as the first term. So first term is A. Second term is A plus D. So first term can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 times D, because 1 minus 1 is 0. So this will get A. You will get A. And A plus D can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 times D. And T3 is A plus 2D, which can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 times D. Clear? This is T3. This is T4. T4 A plus 3D can also be written as A plus 4 minus 1 D. अब हमने ऐसा क्यों लिखा? ये फर्स्ट टर्म क्या आई? This is T1 as A plus this N 1. 1 minus 1 D. Second term is A plus this N 2 minus 1 D. Third term is A plus this N 3 minus 1 D. Fourth term is A plus 4 minus 1 D. इसी तरह अगर हम इसकी nth टर्म लिखते हैं तो how will we write? We will write A plus n minus 1 times D. Clear? If here it is 4, here this is 3. यहाँ पे अगर 3 है तो यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ 2 है तो यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 1 है तो यहाँ 0 है. So nth टर्म हम कैसे लिखेंगे? A plus n minus 1 times D. So what is nth term of arithmetic progression? So nth term of arithmetic progression is given by Tn, which is equal to, we have derived here, A plus n minus 1 times D. What is D here? D is the common difference. And how will we find common difference? How will we find common difference? We will find common difference by subtracting an minus 1. Clear? And what is A? A is the first term of the sequence. So we have derived nth term of arithmetic progression. Let us do numerical on this. So show that progression 7, 2, minus 3, minus 8 is an arithmetic progression AP. Find the general term of a arithmetic progression. General term को हम बोलते हैं nth term also. So general term आपके पास क्या होगी? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, where A is the first term of this progression, which is 7, and D is the common difference of this progression. First of all, we will show that this is an arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression में show करने के लिए हमें क्या prove करना है? We will prove that common difference will remain the same. So common difference कैसे निकलेगा? Second term minus first term. So we have T1 as 7, T2 as 2, T3 as minus 3, T4 as minus 8. So on. So we will find difference, that is D, common difference is T2 minus T1. So 2 minus 7. So it is minus 5. Common difference of T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So it is minus 3 minus 2, again minus 5. Again common difference D is T3, T4 minus T3. So we have T4 minus T3 as minus of 3. Minus 8 minus of minus 3. So it is minus 8 minus plus. So it is minus 5. You can see that the common difference remains the same. Therefore, this progression is an AP. Since the difference of T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3 remains constant. Therefore, the progression is an AP, arithmetic progression. Let us now find the general term, that is nth term. So general term of this AP is given as a plus n minus 1 times d. Common difference is minus 5 and first term is 7. So we have Tn as 7 plus n minus 1 times d. Common difference is minus 5. So let us solve this. This is 5. Multiply this n with minus 5. So it is minus 5n. This is plus 5. So it is 12 minus 5n. So the general term of this arithmetic progression is 12 minus 5n. So next question is find 18th and 23rd term of this arithmetic progression. So let us now find T18th. So how will we find T18th term of this AP? We have the formula for Tn. General term of AP can be written as A plus n minus 1 times D, where A is the first term which is minus 1 in this arithmetic progression and D is the common difference. So first of all we will find this common difference. So common difference is 5 minus of 1. That is T2 minus T1, or you can check T3 minus T2. So 11 minus 5. You can also find common difference from T3 minus T2 also. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. Either you can find D by T2 minus T1, or you can find D as T3 minus T2, or you can find T4 minus T3. So this is D again, 11 minus 5. So you will get 6 in all the cases. So common difference is 6. First term is minus 1. Let us now write T18th. T18th is put n equal to 18 here. So it is A plus 18 minus 1 times D. So it is A plus 17 into D. So what is D? D is 6 and what is A? Minus 1. So let us now put the values. It is 17 into 6 is 102. So it is 1 minus 102 and 101. So 18th term of this arithmetic progression is 101. Let us now find T23rd term. 23rd term, A plus put n equal to 23 here. So it is 23 minus 1 times D. So it is A plus 22 into D. Now let put value of A. A is minus 1 plus 22 into 6. The value of D is 6. So it is minus 1 plus 132. So it is 131. So the 23rd of term of this AP is 131. Next is find the nth and next question 20th term of this series. So now is this series first term is 7, second term as 4, third term as 1, fourth term as minus 2 and fifth term as minus 5 and so on. So let us now find first what is common difference. First term is 7. Common difference D is T2 minus T1, or you can write T3 minus T2, or you can write T4 minus T3. In all cases you will get same value of D. So what is T2 minus T1? So it is 4 minus 7. So it is minus 3. Let us now write nth term of this arithmetic progression, which is given as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. A is 7. N minus 1 times D is minus 3. So it is 7 plus minus 3n. Multiply this with n plus 3. Minus minus plus. So it is 7 plus 3 is 10 minus 3n. So nth term of this series is 10 minus 3n. Let us now find 20th term, A plus 20. Put n as 20 minus 1 times D. So it is A as 7. It is 19 into D. Common difference is minus 3. So it is 7 minus 57. So it is minus of 50. So this is all about how to find the terms of an arithmetic progression. So which term of the sequence this is 48? So we have to find the term in this sequence which is equal to 48. So let the nth term of the sequence is 48. Clear? So what is nth term? A plus n minus 1 times d. So nth term is 48. What is A? A is the first term, that is 8. This is n minus 1 times d. Let us now find common difference d. So this is first term t1, t2, t3, t4. So common difference d is given as difference between t2 minus t1, t3 minus t2 or t4 minus t3. In all the you will get same value of d. So let us now find by subtracting t2 minus t1. So it is 12 minus 8 which is 4. You can check 16 minus 12 is 4. 20 minus 16 is again 4. So common difference means difference is common which is 4. So let us put d here. So it is 48 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 times d which is 4. So this is equal to 4 n 8 plus 4 times n minus 4. So it is 4 plus 4n 48. So keep this 4 here. So it is 48 minus 4 is equal to 4n. So this will imply 48 minus 4 is 44 is equal to 4n, which will imply n is equal to 44 upon 4 which is 11. So this 48 is the 11th term of this sequence. So we will write 48 as 11th term of the sequence. Next question is, how many terms are there in this arithmetic progression? So the nth term, अब हमने बताना है कि इस arithmetic progression में कितनी terms हैं. So let us suppose जो आपके पास last term है वो है tn which is 205 और यही आपने निकालना है n. What is n here? कि कितनी terms है इसमें? 1, 2, 3, 4 कितनी terms है? So let there are n terms in this AP. Therefore nth term क्या हो गई? 205. हमने मान लिया कि इसमें n terms है और last term जो है tnth term वो क्या है? 205. So tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So tn is 205. A first term is 7. And we want to find how many terms? N terms. And common difference is t2 minus t1. So common difference is 13 minus 7 is 6. You can find also 19 minus 3 is 6. 25 minus 19 is again 6. So common difference is 6. So we have 205 is equal to 7 plus 6n minus 6. So 7 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. So we have 205 is equal to 1 plus 6n. So we have 204 is equal to 6n. So n is equal to 34. So we have 34 terms in this arithmetic progression. Next question is 302 a term of this sequence? So let us take this 302 as nth term of the sequence and we want to find value of n. Clear? So let 302 be nth term of sequence. And what we want to find? We want to find value of this n. Clear? So what is Tn? A plus n minus 1 times d. And what is d? d is t2 minus t1. This is the first term, second term, third term. So it is 8 minus 3 which is 5. You can check again. 13 minus 8 is 5. 18 minus 13 is again 5. So common difference will remain same which is 5. So first term is 3. So it is 302 is equal to 3 plus it is n minus 1 times d, which is 5. So it is 3 plus 5n minus 5. So it is 302. It is 3 minus 5 as minus 2 plus 5n is 302. So this will imply this here. So it is 302 plus 2 as 5n. This will imply 5n is equal to 304. So n is equal to 304 upon 5. n cannot be in fractions. Clear? अब यहाँ पे जो n की वैल्यू आएगी वो पॉइंट्स में आएगी, बट n की वैल्यू पॉइंट्स में नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि टर्म या तो फर्स्ट हो सकती है, सेकेंड हो सकती है, थर्ड हो सकती है. टर्म को हम ये नहीं कहते कि इट इज 2.5 टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस और इट इज 3.5 टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस. So it cannot be in fraction. It should be in whole numbers. So n should be in whole number. So therefore 302 is not term of this sequence. So 302 is not term of the given sequence. Next question is determine k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are three consecutive terms of the AP. Consecutive term means if it is T1 then it is T2 and then it is T3 means ये consecutive है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये T4 है तो ये T8 है और ये T10 है. So let T1 आपके पास आ गई k plus 2, T2 second term is 4k minus 6 and T3 as 3k minus 2. Let us suppose that these are the first three terms of this AP. If this is an AP, then what is the condition? That common difference will remain the same. अगर आपकी कोई भी सीक्वेंस AP में है, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है, तो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन की डेफिनेशन यही थी कि आपके पास जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो क्या रहना चाहिए? सेम रहना चाहिए. सो let D be the common difference of arithmetic progression. So what is D? D is T2 minus T1 and D is T3 minus T2. So this has T2, this is T2 and this is T1. So we have 4k minus 6 minus k plus 2. So this will be 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2. So it is 4k minus k is 3k minus 8. Clear? Let us now find T3 minus T2. So T3 is 3k minus 2 and T2 is 4k minus 6. So we have 3k minus 4k minus 2 plus 6. It is minus minus plus. So we have minus k plus 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. From equation 1, D is 3k minus 8 and from equation 2, D is 4 minus k plus 4. But what is it? This is in arithmetic progression. So D should be same. Because the sequence is in arithmetic progression, therefore D should be same, or you can say must be same. So from 1 and 2 we have 1 and 2 implies 3k minus 8 should be equal to minus k plus 4. So we have 3k plus k is equal to plus 4 plus 8. So this will imply 4k is equal to 12, which will imply k is equal to 3. So the value of k for which these are consecutive terms of NAP is 3. So that is all about some questions based on arithmetic progression. In next video we will discuss some more questions based on arithmetic progression. So thank you for watching the video.